Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet software package that allows us to organize data in a tabular format, perform mathematical calculation, and analyze data. This software includes function, formulas, and chart. It is commonly used in business, engineering, mathematics, and statistics. Today, I will discuss some advanced features of MS Excel. I, Kaushik sir, welcome you to your favorite channel, Learn with Kaushik. Sorting means to arrange the given data according to a particular field, either in ascending or descending order. For that, we need to open MS Excel. For that, you go to Start, click on All Program, then go to Microsoft Office. Then click on it. After that, click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007. When you click on that, your Microsoft Office Excel will be opened. After that, you open your table or you create a new table. I have already saved a table. I will open that one. Here I need to sort the data element. For that, you go to Home, then click on Sort and Filter. Here some option is there. First is Sort A to Z, means if you want to sort in ascending order, then you click Sort A to Z. If you want to sort in descending order, then you click Get to A. Or if you want to apply some condition for sorting, then you click on Custom Sort. Okay, if I will click on Sort A to Z, you can able to see here our book name is sorted in ascending order. Before that, it was Mathematics, Science, SST, English, Odia, means it is not in order. If I click on Sort A to Z, then it will sort in ascending order. If I need to sort old price in descending order, then first you select your table, then go to Sort and click on Custom Sort. When you click on Custom Sort, here another one dialog box will be displayed. Here you select that field which one you need to sort. Then I will click here old price, then sort on by value. You select here value, then I need to sort in descending order, means largest to smallest. Then you click on this drop down button, then click on largest to smallest. After that, you click on OK button. You can able to see here old price will be sorted in descending order. Like this, if you want to sort in ascending, you can able to sort, or if you want to sort alphabetically order, that one also you can do. And if you need to sort in ascending order, that one also you can able to do using sort option. Second option is filtering data. The filter command allow us to view only those records that meet certain specified condition. Filtering is a quick and easy way to find and work with part of data in a range. A filtered range displays only the rows that meet the condition we specify. Microsoft Excel provides two commands for filtering ranges. First one is auto filter, which includes filter by selection. It is a simple criteria. And second one is advanced filter or custom filters for more complex criteria. Let's do the practical. For filtering, you go to Home, then click on Sort and Filter. When you click on sort and filter, there one option will be displayed, that is filter. You click on that filter option. Before that, you have to select your table. If you not select your table, then we will not get the filter option. First you select the table, then go to filter, then click on filter option. When we click on filter option, in each field there will be a drop down button. You click on that drop down button, then there some option will be displayed. Here you can able to see number filter, select all. Suppose we need to display only English subject, then you click on select all. Okay, when you click on select all, that all the subject will be deselected. Then you click on English subject, then click on OK. Then you can able to see only English subject in your working space. If we need to display here English and Oriya subject, then again you click there, then click on Oriya also, then click on OK. Then you can able to see English and Oriya subject only. If you need to clear this filter, then you click on that drop down button where you have applied, then click on clear filter from book name. When you click on that option, your all the record will be displayed. This is called auto filter option. Means using simple criteria we can apply filter. If you need to do advanced filter or custom filters, then here you click on any one drop down menu, then go to text filter. Suppose I need to display all the record which is begins from M, then you click here begins with, then you type here M. After that click on OK. See, only those subject will be displayed which one will be begins from M. If you need to display all the record here, then you click on select all, then click on OK. Similarly, if you need to display all those record which is greater than 350 and less than 400, then you click on old price or new price where the number will be present. Then go to number filter and click on greater than. Then go to number filter and click on greater than, and you type there 350. After that you choose the AND operator, and here you select less than is less than 400. Then you click on OK option. See, from 350 to 400 those number are there, that number only will be displayed in your screen. That is called custom filter or advanced filter. And if you need to remove this drop down button, then you go to sort and filter and click on filter option, then that drop down button will be automatically disappeared. Next option is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in MS Excel that sets a cell format according to condition that we specify. It allows us to present numeric data in different color. We can also present data against a background pattern of alternating shades. Let's do the practical. For conditional formatting, you have to go home button, then click on conditional formatting. Before that, you have to select your table, then click on conditional formatting. Here highlight cell rule. One option is there between. You click on that. If we need to format the number which is greater than 350 and less than equal to 400. Then you click on OK option. You can able to see in your table that which is greater than 350 and less than 400, that number is formatted in different color. Like that you can apply this conditional formatting option. Like that you can apply top or bottom rules, data bar, color scale, color set. All these options we can apply to edit the content which is present in our table. And next is, if you want to delete what you have formatted, then you go to clear rules and click here clear rule from selected cell. Then what you applied in your table, that format will be deleted. This is called conditional formatting. This is all for advanced features of MS Excel. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and like my video, and also you share this video to your friends or anybody who need this to learn. Thank you. Have a good day.